Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World. Today we're going on a road trip, so I have with me Alyssa.
Hi.
And the OG, Nancy Arpheus. And Nicole. Wow. And then I have my nephew back there. You can't really see him because he's hiding. But anyways, so right now we're going to apple picking and we're going to do a corn maze. So we'll take you there. So see y'all in a bit. This sun is for us, girl. Ooh, look at that. So guys, we're going to do the corn maze first because the apple picking is on the other side, and since we're already here, we're just going to do that. But we also saw a ride and we want to do that, so we are going to check it out. And these two back here, Nicole and DeAndre, let's go. Oh, that's cute. That's so beautiful over there. 6 child free. Yeah, child.
Wow.
How much is the hayride? I'm curious. Let me get a map. Hello.
Ooh. And I can do this in the dark.
Let's go.
Oh. Hi guys, we're about to enter. Ooh, you know those shows that you watch where kids in the corn? I was like, got children of the corn. We are about to explore. I need some breadcrumbs so I can leave my trail. I hope no little squirrel not about to eat it. Look how tall the corns are. You can get lost, guys.
We're trying to figure this out. So we come in.
Oh Lord.
I think we're supposed to go this way.
There's so, do you go right? Do you go left? Do we go right? Do we go left? Or do we go here?
Girl, I don't know.
We're lost already and we just come in. They're trying to figure it out, and I'm just here holding the camera, guys. I think I'll stay here and wait on them to return.
Them lost already.
Them lost already. Can you imagine doing this in the dark? Oh, we found a coin just in case we get lost and get hungry. We have something to eat. Spooky. It could turn out to be. Did you watch those shows? How it started out just like a regular trip? You're a punk.
But everybody's confused because that one, the guy just came up from there said there's nothing there. But that was
We're lost already, guys.
If we did go up on the bridge, we'd have still go around there, so this is the bridge.
Like 5 minutes into this.
Told them we should have left our breadcrumbs.
We're following DeAndre, so if we lose, you're not getting the dinner. We should have been timing how long we took.
turn right.
A chicken, turn right.
Suppose something just cold and
You would have been lost without.
It's really good.
You're not Jesus. And this is why we have Jesus. Jesus is the way. No, he's the way. What are you guys doing? Are we there yet?
Halfway.
Only halfway?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to keep going straight all the way down to 6, and then you go to the second bridge.
Thanks to Dion.
You're a man. Men are supposed to be better with directions. We getting there. We can see the light at the end of the tunnel, and everyone is surviving. It's a dead end.
I'm joking.
Sick of you, DeAndre. Sick of you. Number 8. And we're making our way to number 9. How you feeling, Alyssa?
I'm good. I'm sweating.
These canes are so much taller than we are. We're getting there. Slowly but surely, we're getting there.
Who's there, guys?
I think we're, oh my gosh. We did it, Joe! There's no I in team, DeAndre, just in case you didn't know.
I did it.
Just saying, there's no I in team. We really did it, guys. Go to the finish line. Woohoo! Go, Alyssa. Clap, 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 clap.
Thank you. That hard work.
Yay, thank you. She didn't do anything. Look at my sticker. I survived the maze.
I didn't.
All she did was complain that she's hot. All she did was complain that she's hot and she's parched. I read the clues. Guys, I'm exhausted. Like, I'm sweating in my clothes. Like, I'm so glad I'm barely wearing anything. Honestly, like, what else I gotta say? Maybe ice cream won't be such a bad idea. The man added 2 chicken tenders, though I ordered 1. This is not a kids meal. You know, every on a kids menu, but they serve you a lot.
I was gonna say.
We just finished eating and can't walk it alone. And we're gonna go on the A ride, so let's go on the A ride. Okay, so we're gonna go on the A ride, and these are the horses that are gonna be taking us.
I guess if I'm thirsty, they're probably thirsty.
Yeah, it's hot.
I can't remember last time I was on a hayride. I'm excited.
I've never been on one.
No?
It's my first time. Nicole, it's your first time on an A ride?
Oh, yep.
And DeAndre's first time as well, so. So we made it back where it all started, and we're done. That's how I felt. Like, I felt like being on the A ride was some form of animal abuse. Did you think so, Alyssa?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I feel like they were so tired and they had to do it. It's like,
I think after a certain point, they should probably stop the hayride.
yeah, like they should have it for a few hours and even rest and then start again.
Yeah.
But like them going on and on for that long is not. Yeah, that's a lot.
5 minutes isn't enough for them to rest.
Yeah, that was not enough. So I felt bad for them when I was on the ride. I don't think I'll ever do it again because of that reason. So, yeah. But now they're gonna get kettle corn.
That's handy for your camera.
Yeah.
How much for this one? This size?
That's
They're all right here. Most of them are 7. The small bags are 7, with the exception of the traditional is 6.
and hearty caramel crunch, apple crisp, and onion habanero. I don't like apples like that. I don't like apple flavored things. That's the better
Yeah,
word.
but you probably like an apple or an apple pie.
Apple, not apple pie.
No, you don't even like apple pie.
Mm-mm.
I know.
I'll get apples, but not apple stuff.
You don't like them cooked then? Do you like apple sauce?
No. So she got her popcorn. Look on the big bag what she get.
Kettle corn. I love popcorn, guys. Especially kettle corn. It's natural. It is the best.
How do you say it?
Kettle.
How do you say it?
Kettle. Jamaicans pronounce it T, so kettle corn.
Oh my gosh, guys, we are so tired and we're gonna go pick some apples. I think that's the last thing we're gonna do and then we're gonna go home. Guys, let me tell you guys a story time.
Anything she says is a lie.
Story time, guys. So, I'm home yesterday. We're supposed to picking apples. Can you be quiet?
Story time.
You're disrupting our conversation. I'm having a conversation with the peoples. So we're supposed to go apple picking today, Saturday, but yesterday was Friday. And she called me and she's like, I'm sleeping over. And I'm like, no, you're not. And she's like, yeah. And I'm like, no, you're not. And she just invited herself. And then she had the audacity to come there and talk all weekend and complain about me talking in my sleep. If I want to talk in my sleep, that's my business, right?
Admitting it now, guys. You see?
I'm not admitting, but I'm saying anything I want to do at my house is my business. Because of that prank camera.
That's a lie. Anything she says,
I can't. Some things, guys, I can't even say on camera. Okay, guys, that's how bad it really is. Okay,
guys, she was sleeping and she come up from head to toe.
No. Keep this PG before the police come for you. You want the police come for you?
And guys, I was like, searching for her literally under the car.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
Accidentally, guys. Accidentally, because I couldn't differentiate.
Guys, it's a lie. It's a lie. Because my foot was in the air, so she knew, and I had my phone, and my phone was lit up because I was on the phone. So obviously, my face is not at my butt.
That's a lie.
Oh my gosh. Exactly. even DeAndre was scared of her. He locked his door.
Wow.
That's true.
That's
Nicole.
defamation of character, guys. Nothing.
You're the one who confessed that I said keep it off the camera.
I did not
Didn't I say
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. So if the police come knocking 911, what's your emergency? It's all your fault, darling.
Defamation of
And then
character.
she go one more night.
Yeah, and then the audacity, she want one more night.
Guys. Gonna make it so memorable. You think last night was bad?
She's not sleeping at my house. She have her back here, and I'm gonna drop her at her husband's house. Because he can deal with that, but I ain't dealing with that. And guys, she nearly burned down my house.
That's another lie. Oh my goodness.
That's factual.
That's for me.
Yeah, she had the stove on and nothing was there. And the vent over the stove came on. That's how bad it was.
The store on iron.
Yeah, the stove. She had the stove blazing. How are you married again? To my cousin and that?
Guys, they're just making fun time, okay?
No.
They want it to be a comic strip.
Everything we say is true. Everything we say is actually true.
This is a comic strip.
No, it's true.
Time, okay, guys? So have a good laugh.
Nicole, you need to stop lying. You want to see? She already beating my son for telling the truth.
She's abusing me.
That's not true.
She can't even hide. She can't even behave herself, so she not caught on camera.
I'm rubbing on his head, guys.
But when I need to rub on him, he's not your husband.
I'm patting it. There's a miss.
He's not your husband.
I'm just patting it. You know when your hair is out of place and you just. That's what I'm doing.
And she want to chat me in the basement.
No, we gotta end this. We gotta end this. We can't have her going to jail.
I need protection, guys.
Alright guys, we'll see you when they're picking apples.
Wow.
Guys, these are my kids. Come on, kids. We're tourists today, dry island tourists. Enter here.
Hear me?
So guys, now we got our bag. We paid $12 for this bag, and we're just going to pick some apples.
And we're gonna stuff it to the brim and put some in our pockets.
She's a crook.
They're different.
She's a crook.
Different kinds of apples. So we'll just show you the different kinds that we do get. This one? Oh, this apple looks so pretty. Look at this one.
Previously an animal safari.
Animal safari. Wow.
Well, I don't eat
Don't eat the apple. Remember Adam and Eve?
What's the point of she said she want to be American so bad, right? And she's gonna taste the apple. She's not Stacy and greedy.
I'm cleaning it. Then watch me take a bite. See, green and staining.
Yeah, she continues to eat.
Yes, I have to test it. It's green, guys. He's not fit.
Because she's gonna fall. Take it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
My cone apple. Well, this is our workout for the week.
They never have to so guys. No, so we're fall well.
Yeah. This zoom is too. Oh. I'm tired. I'm over this. Let's see who's faster. On your mark, set, go. I want to try these. I never had them. It's not bad. If I go back to the car, I'm not coming back down here. On a scale from 1 to 10, Alyssa, how tired are you?
I'd say 8 or 9.
I'm a 10 out of 10. Okay. Ginger gold. I kind of want one. It's like literally so empty. What's this flavor over here? Read the sign. What the sign say? Allah? Gala. Guys, we're also tired, so right now we're done picking apples. Okay. We're exhausted, so we'll get in the car and then we'll say bye, I guess. Hey guys, so yeah, we're tired. So this is the end of the vlog. We had fun. Anything you want to say?
Great time today, but tired.
Bye guys, it was good. It was good being American today.
No sleeping over again tonight. Guys, I'll tell you all about it. I love your laugh.
I'm traumatized. I'm traumatized, okay? So anyways, yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as we did doing the festivities. She sure did because she ate every apple that she saw.
Listen, I had to taste it. Don't you taste before you buy. People in the buy, put in a bag, let me know.
You understand her? You understand?
I get a little bit. I'm honest.
Bye guys, love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, bye guys.